guys, oh my gosh, I seriously don't know what's up with this thingy. It doesn't want to sit in one place. Imagine, like, I've been doing this for like forever now. Imagine. But anyways, I'm back with another vlog. I'm outside. The sun is shining, the sun is out. Like, it's a day to go play with other kids, you know what I'm saying? Yeah guys, I'm going to Rocco Mama's with my boyfriend. We haven't went out in like, okay, let me not even say that because we always go out, but it is what it is. But yeah, I've got some great content coming up soon. I can't wait. Like, I really can't wait. Like, you.
Quiero guay o el tabazo.
I can afford myself. Wait till guy I don't care why y'all bitches say this for somebody because now I don't care what y'all bitches say, but nigga for this I can afford myself. But you know what I'm saying?
Send it a message. Bana. Mara msijua kama mwatawa vitu. My wife. Baby. So I can
Anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Oh my gosh, I haven't been vlogging in like forever now. Yo, washing. But anyways, y'all know what I do. I'm going out, guys. Like, there's this movie, ne? It's been trending, Shang-Chi, what I don't know. And like you know what, I'll post it in the description bar. But yeah, I'm going to watch it at the cinema and then we'll see how it goes. seriously, I'm on a diet, bro. Like, period. Guys, I'm on a 3 weeks break. I'm not drinking alcohol. I think, in fact, this is my last week staying sober. But this week I told myself, you know what? Geen alcohol.
I'm gonna buy shots for you now.
Shots for me. For me.
For you.
Yo, no, like I'm good. I'm good. Baby, like I'm good. Like my boyfriend doesn't understand that.
Only
I'm
two
on a
shots.
diet. Like I'm on a break actually. Because I've been drinking a sip. But then no. I need to maintain this figure.
So we're at Stone Haven. It's not Stone Heaven, you know. It's in the vault. It's located, I don't know how many.
Outfit check.
What?
Outfit check. Eh? I get a cat to walk at it. But I got to space. Hi there.
Okay, guys, so we're a little bit late. We actually missed our boat. It was supposed to be right about now in 3. So now they give us another time, which is at 4:30, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just unwinding. But you know, we'll see what goes. If there's one thing I love about life, is enjoying life. I don't care. No, you know what happened here, guys? I was a little bit jumpy in the beginning, but now I'm like, fuck it. You only live once.
Oh, sure.
Go for chance,
Yeah?
Go for chance.
Oh, ne ke bat ke monka 2 minutes fresh.
Go for chance.
Yeah, 2 minutes fresh. I tell ba rata dinepo. Sharp.